What's up, guys? So there I was teaching my online lessons last week, and a student said to me, logged in, and he said, Rob, what's thrash metal? And I was like, whoa, this is going to be a good day. All right, so I thought, well, what is thrash metal? To me, thrash metal is this. Okay, so what I'm doing there is I'm pretty much just doing alternate picking, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up there on the E string. Lots of riffs, thrash riffs do that. Think Metallica, think Megadeth, think Slayer, Anthrax, otherwise known as the Big Four. Check those guys out. And I thought, right, so a thrash riff. What's the thrashiest riff I can think of on the spot here to teach this awesome kid? And I thought, Whiplash, Metallica. Pretty thrashy, that one. So Whiplash, Metallica, that's just that main riff there that we got just on the E string here. We're going to go chugga 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 chugga, down up 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 down up. Okay, and for this one we're going to go 1 2 3 4 5 6. So there, look, I'm going with I'm barring here, look, with my third finger on the A string and the D string, 7th fret, then down to my second finger, 6, and down to the 5th fret as well. Okay, so it's look like this, look. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Kind of cool to do power chords out there as well on the 5 4 3 maybe. You can see my hand there. Check out some thrash, guys.